Hey guys, this is Wolfie FM, and we are in Pixel Gun, as you can see. Now today, we're going to be reviewing a gun type named the Electroblast Rifle. Now this is a really horrible gun for me to say. I can't even blast people the right way. It's barely even any time that I ever get to use this because, you see, I don't like it. And the map we're going into is Paradise Resort. It is the most best that I can think of. And if you do not think so, leave it down in the comments. If you do think so, you leave it down in the comments. I don't like the music high. I think it makes my voice slower, and it's quite annoying when you're wanting to make a video, so I turn it down. Come on, load. Now we're here. Let's see. Who can I blast with this awesome gun? Well, I think it's horrible, but okay, there's a pretty obvious person. Oh no, they're mech. No, mechs are not easy to kill. I don't even know why they made the mech. Why? It's not fair. Why can't we just go back to the other update where when you find the mech, you get to use the mech? Come on, yay! Oh, no. I need to stop hesitating. No! That's a team up. Alright, guys, just, hey, come here. Okay, he's an easy target. No. I am so sorry, dude. This is just horrible. Horrible. Oh, I shot my... This is so confusing. I liked the last update better than this. It's horrible. I had a pet knockout. Well, Are you gonna shoot that bad guy? I had a pet knockout. Now let's just follow this other team. I don't know where they're going, but what the heck? They're my team, right? Oh, there he went. Alright. How did that kill me? I got a penalty for death. No! This is the Morse thing! Get out of here. Yay! My pet killed him, I think. It was either me or my pet that killed him, because I don't keep track of things. Alright, no. It wasn't the Slender Man, it was Lucky Sniper. He's like annoying.
Yeah, he's like annoying.
Oi, you do realize you're gonna get shot to death, dude. Oh, I've gotta move. This gun, I hope, this is the end of this review for this gun. So, if you like it, you can use it. But I'm not going to be using it. I'm not going to be seen using this. I'm just going to... this is not the end of the video. So, I'm not going to use this gun anymore. It's just a horrible review.
Gun.
Yeah, what she said. Let's see. This gun is way better, but it's not good in this server. It's better in Sniper Forts, because it's a sniper gun. A really good one, too. I think that this gun should get 5 stars. Oh, wait, I already gave it 5 stars. Huh? Dot is here. Don't worry, Dot is here. Oh. Oh, where is the red team? Where are they? I don't know where they are. I don't see any of the red team. I don't know. I don't see any of the red team. Oh. Oh, there's one of them. Come back here. Come back here. It doesn't matter if I get any kills in this video because it's only for review.